This video will demonstrate how to set up your lightbox banner wall. The lightbox is easily maneuverable and can be carried by one person. Start by unlocking the lid and removing all content from the shipping case. Unpack the aluminium tubes and group them on the floor. Start assembling the display frame by joining the tubes together. With a partner, start working your way around the frame. Connect each joint with its corresponding number until the frame is complete. Roll out the two canvas bags and remove the LED lights. Carefully pick up the LED lights and hook it into the corners of the aluminium frame. Fold out the graphic material and pull it first under, then over the frame. Make sure to remove the plug before zipping it closed. Remove the transformer and plugs from the bag and connect it to the lightbox. The LED lights are 12 volts, making them safe for humans to touch. The total weight of the lightbox is 14.7 kilograms. Its sturdy frame will not fall easily. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to set up your lightbox banner wall.